Hello iOS programmer, this is Loyd Kim. This video for notification with Firebase. Here is Firebase admin web and physical iPhone and simulator. Send a message from Firebase web to my iPhone physical device. Just add title and text. And next one, get notification from simulator. I made this view and button. Let's see how to set up. Go to Firebase Documents page. This is a really good reference for make notification with Firebase. So click iOS and set up on iOS client. Here it explains setup properly. So we have to set up first pushing notification in Xcode project. Open the project and sign in and capabilities and find the push notification and edit like this one and create the Firebase project. I already made a Firebase project, so if you have it, you can pass it. First of all, you have to download this code from GitHub. Click this one and download the zip and open the Finder and unzip the file. And one more thing, open the terminal, you have to install POD. So move the directory where the project cd spacebar and directory and POD install and enter. And using Xcode workspace, you have to use it. And go to the Firebase link and make a new project if you are first time to make the project. The name I made Firebase DB test. No, just Firebase DB. And continue Azure and make the Google Analytics checkbox. And next, wait a few minutes, it will make your project. Select project, and you have to setting something. Add iOS project. So click this one and project setting and click iOS button in the bottom. And the bundle ID from Xcode right here. So copy and paste it. And register app and download the config file. It's really important. Download it and add it to Xcode project. We already finished POD install and I already did it, so pass these things. And open the Xcode. If there is existing config file, delete it and add a new config file or something like that. Okay, we have to set up something in app developer site. So create the authentication key. Here you go, click this button and click keys to make the key for notification. And press button and add a key name and check APNs and continue and register. You have to download this key to use later. It's really important. You can't download it just once. And done button, and we have to make the create on app ID to push some notification. So click identifier and plus button and continue. And bundle ID from the Xcode project and description just select the name, MID name. So bundle ID here and copy and paste and check push notification. Right here. and continue and register. And last one, we have to create the provisioning profile for device or debugging. And profile and plus button. And check iOS app development because I will use the iPhone. And you have to choose app ID that you already made. So check it and continue. Yeah, check all and continue. And just add the profile name. That's it. And you have to download it and install it. And you have to change some option in the Xcode right here. So click sign in capacity and uncheck automatically managing sync, and then change the provisioning profile. After that, you have to upload to Firebase setting. Go to project overview and click project setting and click cloud messaging section and click upload. You know what? You already downloaded the certification, so select the certificate and you have to enter the two IDs, the key ID from the app developer right here. So copy your key and then this team ID from here, for identifier right here. You have to paste each text to the text field and upload. After that, you can see added the APNs key. So finally we finished setup. So we have to add code to your Xcode project. So I already finished that. Copy and paste from Firebase document. If you see more detailed information, you can go to the link. And I connect the iPhone and Mac and run it from my code. You have to get the FCM token. So click the button to get token, and then to send a message, go to the cloud messaging and new notification, and add title and context and send the text message. So copy and paste the FCM token and test it, and I can get the message to my physical iPhone. Azure Simulator, you have to add a FCM token to right here. And legacy server key from Firebase setting. Go to the project setting and cloud message and get the legacy server key right here. So copy this one and paste this one. This is here. Using your key, okay, you have to change these values, and you do not change this one. I already made it from the Firebase document. Just HTTP post request code. You can download my code from GitHub, so you can see detail more about that. So finally done. I will add title and context and send the message to user. Yes, I got the message from the simulator to my physical iPhone device. It's everything. Please subscribe and like this video if this is useful for you. Thank you very much for watching this one. See ya.